All right, what's up? What's going on? It is new bike day, and man, I got something for y'all. So, I've been riding my Trek Madone for I don't know a minute now. I put some good miles on that bike, and I've always had a desire for a true aero bike, right? The Trek Madone. I've been hearing so much about this bike. A lot of my buddies got a Trek Madone, so I had to get me one, bro. I had to get me one. And with the specs being very similar to the Monda as far as like bottom bracket and all that other stuff, I had a lot of the parts that I needed, but I got a crazy good deal on this bike. It came with it's the bike, the bars, everything. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is a good looking piece of kit. Let's get this bike open. Move these out the way. Move that out the way. Move that out the way. And yes. Here we go. Ooh. Now, they did a really good job, right? Let's put this right here. They packed this thing up good. They packed this. I would pack something. Ain't nothing else in there. Let me change the camera view so you can see. Get a little, well, you can see pretty good, but we're going to tilt it down some more and move you up some. There we go. That is, all right. Let's open this thing up. Now, the colorway of this bike. Oh my goodness. It's just a special color. I forgot what's the best way to do this. Alright, this is all Velcro. We can get that going. Get this going. Yo, Trek. This is the first Trek I bought, like, from Trek. And they did an excellent job packing this thing on thing. This thing is packed. The perfect size. That is a good looking bar. Oh my goodness, that is a good looking bar. It looks so freaking arrow. Oh my goodness. Oh, this thing is nasty. All right, let me get back to it. Let me get back to it. Let me get back to it. Let me get back to it.
A few moments later.
All right, that took way too long for me to open it, but they package it so well. But dude, oh my goodness, look at this thing. Look at this. Now, these are not scratches. This is just like some sticky stuff from the wrapping. I just got to clean it off, but I just want to show you up close and personal. For this specific frame, it has the ridiculously large Trek sign. Now, some people like it, some people don't. I love it, bro. I love the absolutely ridiculous, obnoxious Trek sign. Like, everybody need to know what I'm riding, bro. This, that junk looks crazy, bro. Oh, it looks good. Wow, that looks good. So, my Amanda was a size 52, and it was a pretty good fit. But after I got my VAM, I kind of changed how I've been sitting and riding a bike. So for the Madone, I sized down one. And when I was looking at the different geometry, the size 50 seemed like it would be a better fit for me. And it was very comparable to the my bad, to the Factor Austral Bam. So that's why I sized down, and I think it's going to be perfect. Now, there is another little box. Let's see what's inside here. And this is probably the seat post and some other little parts. We're just going to slide that up. Yes, yes, yes. All right, so inside here, it's just like some pamphlets, some manuals. This is the assembly guide, and you know this has the old school ISO, the ISO speed, the coupler, so you can kind of switch that up. Comes with, man, all of the small parts. Yes, this is what's up. Now, what I'm interested in, wow, Trek ain't playing, bro. They give you a torque T torque wrench. This is what's up, bro. I paid like $25 for these, bro. For each one, like off Amazon or whatever. And Trek just, yo, Trek give me all of them. They gave me a 5. They damn 2 5 Newton meters. Yo, that's what's up. And a 10. Trek taking care of your boy. And all of this is just small parts and all the grommets for the frame when you are running the hydraulic hoses and DI2, because that is the only way. Now let's check this out. I think there's one thing that they did not give me, and I'm about to find out right now. Yes, that looks good. The only thing I need is this is for the round saddle rail. I don't know why I couldn't think about that, but I need the one for the carbon rails. But I think I have one sitting around from the Trek, but this is what's up, bro. And this is the 5 millimeter setback, and that's exactly what I wanted. But dude, this thing looks freaking sick, bro. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna throw the bars on there and put the seat post in there so you can kind of see what it looked like. Just give me a quick sec. Y'all, I gotta tell you, man, the Trek killed the game with this frame, bro. Trek killed the game with this frame. Hold on, let me flip this around, bro. I'm very happy, bro. I am very happy. Trek did an excellent job. This is just, this is nasty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's nasty. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's nasty. Yo, this was dope. Man, I like it's got the Trek Segafredo racing joint on there. Oh man. I'm gonna see if you can pick it up on the camera. If I get this right, I get the angle right. Get the angle right for y'all. This is the SLR 800 series carbon. Oh man, this thing. Wow. Wow. Wow, this is freaking nice, bro. This thing is hella dope, bro. Man, this thing got the T47 bottom bracket, through axles, and of course, let me turn on this side. Can you see it? The Project One. Yeah, bro. This is about to be a badass bike, bro. This about to be the badass bike. Got the ISO speed. That's where you adjust it on the bottom. I'm about to ride the hell out of this damn bike. What I'm gonna do real quick is take the cardboard off the through axles and take these orange stops off, and I'm gonna weigh the frame, the frame, seat post, bars, everything, weigh it all. Just let you know what the weight is of that. Give me just a second. So I had to take my chain off real quick because it was smacking on the mic. But yo, I bought the frame. I knew what I was getting into with the frame, the size, the seat post, and the offset. But the bars, I knew it came with the bars, but I didn't know what the spec of the bar was going to be. So check this out. These are 42 in the hoods, and like 45 in the drops, which is perfect for me because on my VAM, I went to a 42 bar. I've been riding 42 bars on a lot of stuff. And I know a lot of people are like, damn, that's wide. It is wide, but it works for me. So to have the 42 with the flare, man, that's perfect. And like I said, also, I've been rolling a 110 stem. And I was like, dang, what is this going to come with? So this came with the 100 stem, but it works out because the normal reach on a bar that I'm used to having is 80. The reach on these bars is a 93. So that gives me 10 extra millimeters of reach plus the 100 that gives me that 110 that I want. So I don't know, Trek. I guess this was just meant to be. It was meant to be for me. So let's throw this thing on the scale and see how much everything weighs. We're going to put this on pounds. And all right, let's throw this on here. Trek just really outdid themselves. I'm very, very happy with this, the way everything has come. Let's get the weight on here. 6 pounds, 3 ounces as it sits with the frame, seat posts, bars, 6 pounds, 3 ounces, and ounces, kgs. Trying to get the right way. I gotta wait for it to go. It is, there we go, 2.7 kgs. This is what's up. Listen, I done bought 3 new bikes, like straight, well, hold on, 4 bikes straight from a factory. I bought the Elves bike, I bought a Specialized bike, I bought a Trek bike, and I bought the Factor bike. As far as packaging, equipment, everything, I gotta say Trek really did the damn thing. The way it was packed, the box coming with all the tools, like real tools, man. This is like stuff that I would buy. That's what's up. Second best, I would say Factor. Factor did an excellent job too. But Trek really did the damn thing. But yeah, bro, it is time to get the Madone built up. If you want to know more about how I actually bought this bike, how much I paid for it, I have a separate video talking about that. But oh my goodness, that's all I got for y'all, man. This your boy, Mr. Robb Armstrong. I'm out.
I look like a bag of money I'm on. They wanna know what I'm on. Got diamonds dancing on my neck. That is the vibe I'm on. Way too lit. Who gon' check? You can tell me no.